All right, let's meet Matt, a researcher who needs to read and review 150 papers that his supervisor has asked him to review. Or Dr. Johnson, who needs to go over 200 resumes to find the best fit for our lab. The common theme between these two personas is that they have to go over a large amount of unstructured data, which is going to be quite time consuming. Matt and Dr. Johnson are not alone. Most job functions in industry require the employees to go over a vast amounts of messy data that large language models are still too naive to process without help. So we developed Lumina. Lumina allows users to turn their data into a structured format that's customizable by user. Also, users can search within the extracted data using our native RAG implementation and gain insight without needing to manually search in the tables. In Lumina, users first upload their unstructured data, then based on their type, Lumina perform a pre-processing step, and then it organizes the data and creates a table based off the data that was uploaded by the user. Then user can talk to Lumina, which then a Llama agent will send the user's query to the right agent, which can result in a new column, a graph of relationships, or a retrieval of information about the question that the user asked. Lumina is designed to automate the mundane parts of the job so the user can spend more time on the tasks that actually matter. In our field surveys, we found that users not only like this idea, but they actually believe that it can save them invaluable time, which otherwise would have been spent browsing documents.
Let's see Lumina in action. After you upload your documents, the AI gives you a summary of the top documents, as well as a preview of what it extracted, their domain or information, such as keywords. It also comes up with an extraction prompt, which will be used by LLM to guide its extraction process. Lastly, you will have the set of columns, data types, description, and the example, which you can remove or add to those fields. Once we verify those, the data extraction process begins. Lastly, we will index our table so we can perform RAG queries. For instance, here I will ask about the summary of the limitations that was extracted from the paper. Our router agent, which is a Llama nematron, starts finding the column as well as summarizing this information and coming up with some extensive summary of the information. We can also visualize this information. In the background, there will be a knowledge graph built from this extraction, which allows us to further explore the concepts that are available in this document. We can also ask our agent to decide and synthesize information from multiple columns, and lastly, to export the data as CSV.